is a compact and robust screwdriver set by Wera with manually activated impact wrench function. It comes in a convenient carrying case and consists of a screwdriver handle, 19 interchangeable bits and a hook and loop fastener strip. The handle combines advantages of an interchangeable screwdriver and an impact driver. The impact function is activated by rotating the ring at the top of the handle. To use a screwdriver in the impact wrench mode, hit the back of the handle with a hammer. The set comes with following types of bits dedicated for impact screwdriver: 3 Phillips, 5 Torx, 4 hex plus, 3 square head socket and 3 slotted. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. You need it, we have it.